Alright.
Can I go through first?
I'm here with...
Brylan.
What grade are you in?
A junior, 11.
You're a junior? Do you think we're gonna win today?
Duh, yes.
I'm here with...
Cabra.
What grade are you in?
I'm in 11th grade.
You're in 11th grade?
Yes.
You don't seem like it, but... Do you think we're gonna win today?
Most definitely. My man playing today.
Who am I here with?
Dulce.
What grade are you in?
I'm a junior.
And do you think we're gonna win today?
Absolutely.
Period, Dulce. This is the president.
This y'all's president? This y'all's president? It was a joke.
Oh. Do you think we're gonna win today? Why?
No, I forgot it in the car.
Well, tell him to bring it back.
He went to work.
Oh my god. How you bring your AirPods? Like, I mean, how you forget it? That's like the main thing I would bring.
I forgot.
No, everyone can on the bus.
See?
Well, maybe it's just me.
Yeah. Vote Dulce for president. Vote Dulce.
Let me see the flag. Let me see the flag. Oh, oh, oh.
I'm back again. I got my little fan. It's my
You got a fan? Wait, let me see some. I'm here with...
Myra.
What grade are you in?
Senior.
Do you think we're gonna win today?
Duh.
Alright, alright. Yeah.
I will fight Ongle one day.
Okay, that's
He'll
not the
catch
question,
these
man.
hands. Well, yes, we're gonna take that dub.
Because her man is the kicker.
Yeah.
Alright, alright, alright. I'm here with...
Kayla Dela Cruz.
What grade are you in?
I am 12th grade. I'm a
Alright,
senior.
alright. You think we wanna win?
Yes. She's trying to get that.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I hope so.
By how much? How much you think?
Let's say, 70. By 70.
I'm here with...
Miss Fawcett,
What grade are you in?
12.
12?
I'm a
Okay.
senior,
You think
yes.
we're gonna win today?
Yes, of course.
Alright, alright, bet, bet.
Are you talking about the chaparrals being the best dancer? Right?
Yes, we're gonna win.
Yes, definitely. Chaparrals are winning.
I need makeup scissors. And don't nobody have any?
You don't have any?
Disappointed. Are you filming at the game?
Hey guys, we're live right now.
Football game.
This is our second game. Yeah, Captain Lala. I wish I had my glasses.
Personal foul, hands to the base against the Rough Riders. It is declined.
I got...
Captain
Wait, let me...
Wait, get along.
To the right, to the right, to the right. What?
Miss Fawcett.
Number 21.
Go, do it.
Do it.
Wait, that.
Allen's pass falls incomplete. We'll bring up second down and 10.
Hooray! So, who am I with?
You just said the name.
Your name is Shawty Bay?
No, that's how you say it in Spanish.
Who am I with? Alright. And what grade are you in? Junior. Do you think we're gonna win? We're winning right now. What about you?
It's 31 to
Let's go.
fucking
I gotta buy her a
16.
pretzel.
Oh my gosh, my nose is
I look at her pores. Like,
Okay, come follow us to the concessions. Come on.
look, your boogers got all over the camera.
Or makeup.
Wait, Ongle, you can't.
He's like 10 feet.
Or what?
Alright, guys, we're finna see what Ongle has to eat for the day.
I'm not gonna eat anything.
Hey guys, we're finna eat and grub on some nachos, pretzels, and hot dogs.
I don't even want any pizza.
Bro, I've been eating pizza this whole
I just ate pizza. Me too. I ate pizza last night.
But we finna take that dub. The scoreboard is 31 to 14. What did Springfield say? What did they say? right.
Wait, what
nothing.
did they say?
I don't know. They were just talking shit. He's like,
Sometimes I wish I like pickles. They're so fucking nasty.
You hate pickles, I forgot.
I hate ketchup, I hate pickles, I hate any type of sauce unless it's sauce. Or gravy.
You don't like ranch? What about Wingstop ranch?
put me a piece.
Bro, be for real.
You can just share.
You know, Hermione doesn't like ranch either. Ranch.
I don't like ranch either, but you wouldn't know that because you never take me to Wingstop.
I'm saying let's go. Let's go after practice one day.
You never invite me.
Let's
You
go
always
after
say,
practice.
let's go, but then when you're already over there, you don't even text me.
And eligible receiver.
You know,
down
we finna go.
field, Panthers.
We finna go.
When we got money.
Oh, wait. Who am I with?
Valeria?
What grade are you in? What grade are you in?
I'm in 11th.
Okay. So, I was gonna ask you, do you think we're gonna win? But I don't need to, because we just won.
Scoreboard. We won. We took that dump. Well, they didn't even
Bruh.
They were too embarrassed.
So, what were your thoughts on the
They
game?
that mad that they took the scoreboard off.
We ate them up and they should have kept that Instagram.
Okay.
I'm like, they were talking a whole bunch of crap and we still won.
Yeah.
Period. Go comment when I get done.
Comment. It says record. Okay, you can start.
All right. Y'all look
We should vlog each other.
okay. Ooh. But y'all, hey guys, we're on the bus.